Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present the best referral ID with 10% commission kickback rate. You will have a link down below in the description that you can use, or just use the ID. Now it's really important to do it only because you're gonna have lower fees. What does it mean? So when you come here on Binance fee schedule, you see that you're gonna see maker taker 0.10, or if you use BNB it's 25% off, 0.07. But if you can use also the link, you will get 10% less fees, even more. So in that way, you're not going to spend so much on fees comparing to Gemini, also Coinbase Pro and others, where you get like 0.50. On Binance, it's different. So because of this, I recommend just using the Binance. And yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. And yeah, use the link and you're gonna have lower fees. So yeah, goodbye.